Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we are approximately in the second week of the third month of 2020, viewers and subscribers, and with no further update from the judges presiding over the matter or even the attorneys representing the accused, viewers and subscribers, anxiety has started setting again. Now, viewers and subscribers, paralegals working for the respective offices of the attorneys defending the accused and co-accused, viewers and subscribers, have said this: it is not because the attorneys have not attempted to get a further update, viewers and subscribers. They say as recent as this Monday, contact was attempted but to no avail, viewers and subscribers. There was no response to the request from the respected attorneys in this case, viewers and subscribers. Now, we're past the point where we are speculating, and I said this is the reason for the delay, that's the reason for the delay. At this point in time, this delay is just a disgrace. This is a stain upon the justice system. It can't wipe off again. It can't wipe off. It past the point now where it can wipe off. All we can do now, moving forward, as a people, as a nation, as a society, is to release the teacher and show them, say, we are turning a new page. We see we're going in the trial, and we see the lengthy wait, and we see the delay. We see all of that. We can't erase it out of the minds of society. But what we can do moving forward is to show people, so we have turned a new leaf. First page, it blank. And we are going to start deal with matters this way. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is not only unlawful, it's not only a disgrace or an outrage, but the fact that as a people, as a society, we are still going through what I would consider draconian laws. Because when a court of appeal can say, yes, we're ready for going on a verdict, but we're not ready for going on the date of the verdict, and all we can do is wait. There is no other higher court to refer to locally. These are draconian laws. And in a society where lawmakers pass new laws yearly and try their best to enforce them upon one side of the society, meaning say there is a clear double standard, viewers and subscribers. In a Jamaican society, there are laws that are implemented, are forced upon certain classes of people locally, while certain other classes of people might not necessarily have to follow these rules and regulations. I see it in a business all the while. I notice how there's strong pressure applied to small business owners, even the people in a town where I sell them goods, the entrepreneurs where I keep town moving. It is not just the Chinese who keep town turning millions daily. There's also the Igla them, the people with the style, the entrepreneurs, the small man, the small woman. But I notice pressure applied to them is different from pressure applied to big business. And that is just how it is locally. Not saying we should see what take place and say, oh, I saw it go, because this is how they want us to react. Even in a Vybz Kartel particular situation right now, they would hope that society's view is, boy, I saw the court stay, you know. You can't do nothing about it. Them just now go release the boss, so we have to just go on with. No. This is a disrespectful attempt by the powers that be. We tell we say, yo, I them a run things. And what they say goes. But things need to change, viewers and subscribers. Things have to change, because in a situation like this, what could happen to anybody. Then look at it. If them can do it to a superstar Somebody that is known the world over. Anywhere you go and say Jamaican dancehall music, them know this individual. And if them can do this to an individual like that, what say you? Not being a celebrity, whether you're rich or not, but just you not being a celebrity, somebody of that status, then what would they do to you? Are definitely food for thought, viewers and subscribers. Something very important for we discuss as a people. I say all different matters being presented. I see a big outrage recently over the youth them take them picture, and of course that shows the majority of the youth have lost their way. But why have they lost their way? What are the examples being set? In a country where the laws that are handed out by lawmakers are not followed by the lawmakers themselves. Them tell us everybody have the right to due process. Means say a matter get handled in a timely fashion. When I feel them thing I deal with, it deal with in a timely fashion, of course. But when average, we live average, because Vybz Kartel is a superstar, so we can just say once is a citizen. That is not some member of parliament. I have some family member in parliament. When it look like this are the wait. I'm not tell you about no 3 month, 4 month wait. I tell you about a year and 6. A year. I'm about 8 to 9 months now. Because we're counting. Them feel like we do a stop count. We are still counting viewers and subscribers. And it's a sad situation as a people for say, yo, this will take place and nobody has the answers. The judges themselves don't know what to tell me, and at them are preside over the case. At them are make the ruling and them don't know what to tell me. Obviously, they are not the ones making the decision. Obviously, they are not the ones making the decision, viewers and subscribers. That has become clear. Because if them don't know what to tell me, it looks like the decision is not in their hands. That is why the attorneys can't tell me anything. Because they are not the ones making the decision. All they could do was present the argument, present the evidence, present the facts in open court. And then the 3-judge tribunal will preside over the matter, will hand out a ruling, a verdict, a decision, whatever you want to call it. So of course the attorneys couldn't tell me. Say, yo, alright, and next week until they are notified. When them get notification, say, yo, we are at an advanced stage, so them claim we were notified as a society, as a people, as fans, as well-wishers, as family members. Now that them can't say it is because the ball is in the court of appeal, for better choice of words. And them can't tell we when or why we have to wait, or when we will have to wait to. Meaning said them don't know, in my opinion. Me not feel like them know. And it's not that they don't know what they're doing. It's that decision does not solely rest on them. Clearly. Just like in the initial trial, where it was not solely based upon the decision of the jury or the judge, or the same thing will take place right now. One thing for sure though, the artist has always remained optimistic. And so have the attorneys, or the respective attorneys defending all co-accused, all accused and co-accused. And that speaks volume. That shows that one thing is for sure though. The case has been beaten. The case has been won. Because the Queen counsels on this case, and the experienced attorneys on this case, and even experienced paralegals who work alongside these attorneys, have said that they have never seen a clearer victory than this one. All them say is that when it comes to matters of the law, you don't start celebrate before the verdict is handed out. So that is why they have not forwarded and say, oh, you know what I mean, go in, everything good. Because you do not make those decisions, you do not make those statements. Ethically as a lawyer, you do not do that. You do not say that to clients or to well-wishers or family members of the clients. You wait until the judge say what they must say, or you know what I mean? You move forward from there. But they have said that when it comes to a case where they bring before the appeal court, where they must show say, yo, what take place shouldn't have take place, them say it not get no clearer than this case. So that is definitely some good news or a silver lining within the dark cloud. You know the something go. Vice the one called Jaden Chase. the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But when I like the reason and of course when I like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there as well. So if I may like, we drop a like on the vlog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. So tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7. It never lock yet. Just be mindful and respectful of the guidelines. However, other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, and we can continue the reason via the comment section. Our move settings, fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, that we live, love, and prosper until the reason again.